Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell XRP on Binance. Right, I'm going to be showing you two ways. So first up, go to trade right here. Just hover your mouse onto it. Now click on P2P. Now in here, under P2P, click on sell. Okay. Now go and find XRP. Now make sure that you select the correct currency. Okay. For example, I live in the Philippines. I'm just going to leave it to PHP. And all of the banks that are available in your country will be listed right here besides the buyer. Okay. So once that's done, as you can see here, we have the best price right here, or prices at the very top. And if you're happy with the payment methods that are listed within, okay, or from the buyer, you can just go and click on sell XRP. Now go ahead and add in the amount of XRP that you would like to withdraw or sell. Okay. Once done, select your payment method and just click on sell XRP, and after that, you're good to go. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.